I'm in Oklahoma right now, and you know what I realized since I've been here? This is like the black ghetto for white people. And I'm gonna say that because majority of the people I'm seeing are sprung out on drugs. It's messed up. And I'm gonna tell you what they doing. I was told by former drug addict, that's what he said anyway, that in Oklahoma, these meth addicts, ice addicts, whatever it is that they taking, did you know they can have a half an ounce of crystal meth on them, and the police will tap them on the hand and take it from them and say, here go a ticket, get on out the way. Now, if that was the same thing happening in Little Rock where I'm from, you know what I mean? Shit, we'd be under prison. They'll give us a fucking 20 years for that half ounce. But since it's happening in their backyard, they're a little lenient. They say, well, we don't want to crowd the prisons up. It's a problem. It's an epidemic. They're sick. Well, what about the people that was on crack? Who put that shit in our hood? How did that shit get in our hood? But instead of them helping us, they locked all our ass up. Addicts, dealers, all. But out here, it's not like that. They are suffering from the opiums and the meth, and they trying to help their people out. America's a motherfucker, man. All gone.